Akio Tanaka created the world's first PVC glove in 1954. SHOWA became a global company with the heart of its founder that he wanted to protect people's hands with the innovative products. In 1989, starting with the construction of the Malaysia factory, we expanded our business to the US, Europe, Vietnam, and Myanmar. We've been growing SHOWA glove networks through strengthening R&D and establishing sales networks, mainly with overseas subsidiaries. Please continue to enjoy watching the works of SHOWA glove. The founders believe that never imitate anything is the origin of SHOWA gloves manufacturing. The experts create innovative products using their knowledges, experiences, and technologies. The products of SHOWA glove are produced by human hands and the automated production line. We have designed most of our equipment, from the patterns of hands to our manufacturing line, which enables us to create the unique products. We have quality control department in all production bases, and we inspect products with high accuracy, following our international standards. We have always kept in mind the quality control from the customer's point of view since the day we founded our company. Since 1954, with our excellent talent and teamwork, we have achieved a large market share with customers and partners in global markets. SHOWA glove will continue to develop new products to protect users' hands and to solve various problems.